Hi guys, in this session I'm going to explain if statements. If statements work with the Python conditions. Here are the conditions. All these are mathematical conditions we are using into the Python for if statements and for the loops and many areas we will make utilize these conditions. Here we are saying equals. It is double equal, not a single equal. If it is a single equal, it is considered as an assignment. It is not a condition if it is a single equal. If it is two equal symbols, it is considered as a conditional operator. That is equals operator. So many uh, operators, conditional operators, we know. Here I shown in this PPT. If statement flowchart. In the if statement, there is a conditional expression. If the conditional expression evaluated to true only, it enters into the block of code. Otherwise, it will not enter into the block of code. We know what is the block of code that I explained in earlier session. I will give a example to this if statements practically in IntelliJ IDE. Please follow. Hi. Here I'm going to explain an example of a if statement. I'm trying to take a number from a input. Please enter a input. I'm taking a if condition. If condition works with the conditional statement. Here I'm checking for a condition that gives a true or false based on the number entered is even number or not. Okay, try to run it. What happens? It is given a error message. How to resolve it? Type a int over input function. Try to rerun a program. I entered input as a 8. Enter. Number is even. Okay. Here the error message is disappeared and the print number is even is printed. Why? Because if condition is true. Here number is a even number. So because of that, its remainder is equal to 0. Check this if condition. This is true. This number gives a true condition gives a true. That's why only it is entered into the block of code. That's why only it is given a output like this. If you want to modify some more things you want to do, okay. Okay. I will explain one by one. Here number is a even number. That's why the condition is true. Input I taken as a 8. That's why it is entered into the code block and it is executed. We will rerun it. What happens? I will check. If it is 5, no, there is no output. rerun it. If its input is 6, it is printed. Number is a even number. That's why if condition is true, because of that it entered into the block of code. It is given a output. What happens if second statement is not indented properly? So what happens? Yeah, if this is not entered intended indented in proper way, so because of that second statement is not considered as a statement within the if condition. Play with this. I changed indentation again. There is no output. Why? There is spaces between the level of indentation is checked. There is a 4 spaces before this second statement, print statement. So block of code is explained in this if statement. At the same time, how if statement is working we understood. I hope you got a clarity. I see you in the next session.